All right. Hey guys, my name is Pearson, and today I'm here to talk to you about wrists versus fingers, or I should say when you use fingers versus when you use your wrist. In this particular context, I'll be talking about heavy metal and blast beats, kind of in specific. A lot of what we do in heavy metal is single stroke based, and a lot of the blast beats we do are just like hands together or just basically a single stroke roll. Like I'll give you a couple examples. Depending on what tempo we're talking about, we'll likely be using different muscles or different joints in our hand and in this case our fingers too. So, you know, you always to some extent use your fingers when you play, you know, but for things like blast beats at say, I don't know, 175, 190 or something like that, it's a little bit more just plodding along. It's a lot easier to employ your wrist control. But when you get into things like 200, 215, 220 and above, you want to use a bit of a blend of your wrist and fingers, or just exclusively your fingers too. I see a lot of guys do just something like this, you know, where they hold the stick at the fulcrum and then they just blast away with just their fingers and their wrist moves very little, or if not at all. My approach is kind of just to do like a molar stroke, you know, whipping stroke where I generate the stroke with my wrist, but then I also kind of pump with my fingers as well. So let me just show you a bit of a ramped up blast beat, and just kind of notice as I get faster that my wrist motion sort of condenses down, and then my fingers come into the picture a little bit more. That burns. I don't know if you can see, but you know, I was more or less just like really hammering from my wrist, and then as I started to get a little faster, I sort of like augmented my grip a little bit, sort of opened it up so I could open it up for the French grip a little bit more, and I still did like a bit of a wrist turning motion, but then I also employed my fingers a little bit more. All right, everybody, so I hope that works well for you. You know, check it out, try it out at different tempos and all that stuff, play along to music, have fun, incorporate it in your practicing regimen. Hit us up here at Drumeo if you have any questions, and we'll try as best as we can to answer them for you. Have a great practice, and we'll see you out there.